So I parked this car and I trained it got rained on. Yes, that is why I need to give it some love. Yeah, so guys, I just finished with work today. I'm heading home. And there's something I want to talk to you guys about. Yeah. So as you guys know, I am a ICT technician. I work as a computer guy or the tech guy. Hey. But I did surveying in university. I did surveying. But that was not my first love. My first love was aviation or piloting. Yeah, so guys, and the thing is, when I finished high school, I always wanted to be a pilot. So I went and enrolled to a flight school. I did my private pilot license, and I had a very, very, very nice time, man. That was one of the best times of my life. But then I had to go to university and do surveying, so I kind of left piloting to the side. And since then, I've not been back to flight school. But I was thinking of, let me get out and let me leave this place. Yeah, so I was thinking of maybe going back to aviation or even pursuing a master's degree in surveying. But I want to leave the country, man. So I was saying, I want to do a master's degree and, further my studies. Or hey, people are wild here, man. People are just crazy. Anyway, I was saying I would love to do a master's degree in surveying, or even better, do my commercial pilot's license, but not in the country. I'm not planning of studying in Kenya. Maybe go to Australia or the US or even Germany, man. What do you guys think, man? Please leave a comment below. Should I leave the country to pursue my dreams, or should I stay here and, do what Kenyans do? Please, to help me, please advise me. Thank you for watching this video. You're always welcome back to my channel. So I'll see you.